How to get Spotify Premium. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. You can get Spotify Premium from the official website or the app, but using a web browser is recommended for better options. Open Google Chrome, Safari, or any browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, type spotify.com and hit enter. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right, then click on Account. Here, click on the Premium tab at the top of the page. The C plans. You'll see different Spotify Premium plans including individual, duo, family, and student. Review the available plans and select the one that fits your needs. Spotify offers first month free for every user. Tap on Get Started or Try Free if a free trial is available. Spotify will ask you to choose a payment method such as credit debit card, PayPal, or mobile billing. Enter your billing details and tap Start Premium to proceed. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email. Your account will now be upgraded to Spotify Premium, and you can start enjoying ad-free music, offline downloads, and better audio quality. And that's it. You now have Spotify Premium activated on your account. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.